Hi, welcome back to Raunchy Reality Recaps. Now in this video we're going over Amy Slaton and Michael Halterman from 1,000 Pound Sisters. Now back a few months ago, Amy and Michael got into it. Police were called. Michael apparently throwing things, didn't want Amy to break up with him. And then in court, apparently Amy was able to receive a restraining against him, which ended up being dropped later on. But she ended up receiving a restraining order against him, and in the court she stated that Michael didn't want to help out with the kids. He was kind of aggressive with them, I think is the word she used, and he was upset that she wanted to go out to eat with her sister. So yeah, it looks like from Amy's words, Michael, wasn't really doing his job as a parent. But they ended up going to court. Michael ended up saying that he didn't want his kids on camera. So last time I saw them, which I don't think I did a video on that. No, last time I saw them. Last time I saw an article on them. I didn't do a video on it because I haven't been doing it in the past month because I've been so busy. But I think they did go to a court hearing for the divorce. And as soon as Amy got out the court, she was with the cameras and everything. And I'm sorry, if Michael was claiming that he didn't want his kids on camera anymore, I mean, you should have just not had the cameras there. I mean, I'm just going to be honest. In your best interest in the court, it probably doesn't look good if he's making these claims, it probably didn't look good to have a camera crew waiting as soon as you got out of the court, which I also think they had like a clause or something, that order that they couldn't talk about their divorce on the internet or social media or something. But then you have cameras following you as soon as you leave the courthouse. So we know that's going to be part of the scene. That's obvious. So personally, I thought that was bad move. But anyways, the point is mute now, because apparently Michael and Amy had chosen to not go anymore as far as their divorce, taking it to court, but they're going to discuss it and come to agreement with their attorneys. So it looks like, we're not going to see this play out in court. They're going to come to an agreement, which, is always better for the kids when the parents are able to sit down and come to an agreement instead of a judge making a decision for you because the parents can't agree. Which I think probably Amy's biggest issues is custody, because I think Michael wanted to share custody, which in a lot of cases the parent that wasn't doing it. And we even talk about this with Cody Brown and Christine Brown, the parent that never wanted to do anything with the kids, never wanted to help out, never wanted to spend time with them, never cared if you were overworked. For some reason, they now think that they can handle a kid half the time. Like, you couldn't handle him a quarter of the time. What makes you think that you couldn't handle him for 5 minutes while she probably went out somewhere? What makes you think that you're going to want him now? What makes you think that you're going to be able to handle them now? And I don't think it's because they actually want to spend time with their kids. It's all for either control or for they don't want to pay child support. That's all there is. Sorry, you can't. I think I said in this other video, you can't change my mind on that. You really can't change my mind on the fact that if a parent that wanted nothing to do with his or her children before a divorce or a breakup now suddenly wants something to do with their kid, and it's just because of the goodness out of their heart. No, there might be those cases, but I'm pretty sure at least 85% of them, they either want control or they don't want to pay child support. That's all there is to it. Because you just don't, sorry, you just don't magically change into a better parent like that overnight. So, yeah. But anywho, Anywho, hopefully they can get this straightened out. Hopefully they can come to agreement. Hopefully, if Michael hasn't been the greatest parent, hopefully this wises him up to realize he needs to get his stuff together, and these kids are his responsibility too. And maybe if he wouldn't acted that way, maybe if he would have changed his ways months or years ago, or when those babies came out, because we all saw the party where she had 2 babies and he was sitting eating. I don't know. You cannot make that. You cannot make that look good. Like, there's no way to make that look good. Like, you literally just sat there while your lady was struggling with 2 kids. I mean, come on. But anyways, hopefully he changes his way. Hopefully he does. But we never know. But I guess for all the 1,000-Pound Sisters fans, y'all in store for a new season. A very juicy, drama-filled season, probably. And also Tammy's mess of a season too. So yeah, we're probably gonna be seeing a lot in the next season as far as just breakups, because we know Tammy, and I gotta get on that video as well, Tammy and her man, and then her former man, who knows at this point, and then of course Amy and Michael. So it's gonna be a lot. And to be honest with you, I hope that they do focus on their sister as well, because I mean, if they could set her up on a few dates, I watch that. I like her. I like their sister. So anyways, yeah, that's all I got for today. I'm gonna try to do better with my videos, keep up with them, because I have not been on here for a month, and I do apologize. I just had a lot of stuff going on. So y'all take care and have a great day.